Good morning one and all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of June 16th 2021 from on this day. So on this day it is celebrated as International Day of Family Remittances. The main theme of this day is to recover and resilience through digital and financial inclusion. So first International Day Family Remittances was celebrated on 16th June 2015. And going to the current affairs, the first question is, which country is re-elected as member of ILO governing body, whereas ILO means International Labour Organization? The options are A. India, B. Bangladesh, C. Iran, and D. Russia. And the correct answer is B. Bangladesh. So the term is for 3 years from Asia Pacific region for the term 2021 to 2024. This is the third consecutive victory for Bangladesh in ILO governing body. Earlier, Bangladesh served as deputy member for the terms 2014 to 17 and 2017 to 21. And the second question is, which state has launched the AI mission TAIM powered by NASSCOM? And the options are A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is D. Telangana. The vision of TAIM is to develop Telangana as a global club for artificial intelligence. TAIM announced the launch of acceleration program Rev Up. And third question is, which of the following organization has collaborated with NCPE DP and announced NCPE DP Javed Abidi Fellowship Program on Disability? And the options are A. Akshay Patra, B. Azim Premji Foundation, C. Virat Kohli Foundation, D. National Trust. And the correct answer is B. Azim Premji Foundation. This fellowship program will commence from September 1 onwards. Total 25 youth will be selected for this fellowship. 3-year fellowship program is available for only young people aged 18 to 28. Selected candidates will receive a monthly stipend up to 25,000 rupees, whereas NCPEDP is nothing but National Center for Promotion of Employment for Disabled People. And the fourth question is, which state tourism development corporation launched Pita on Wheels? And the options are A. Haryana, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Orissa, and D. Chhattisgarh. And the correct answer is C. Orissa. Orissa Tourism Development Corporation launched Pita on Wheels, whereas pitas are nothing but rice-based cakes. It is to provide pitas to people in city amid the COVID-19 guidelines. And the fifth question is, who becomes the first ever international chess master from Northeast India? And the options are A. Abhijit Gupta, B. Vishwanathan Anand, C. Pragnananda, and D. Sahil Dev. And the correct answer is D. Sahil Dev. He belongs to Assam state and becomes first international master from Northeast India. And the sixth question is, Sanchari Vijay Prasad passed away recently. He belongs to which profession? And the options are A. Actor, B. Writer, C. Athlete, and D. Artist. And the correct answer is A. Actor. He is a Kannada actor and won Best Actor award at 62nd National Film Awards for Nanu Avarnal Avalu. He made his debut in films in 2011 with the Kannada film Ravagappa Attobidya. He also received the Karnataka State Film Award for Best Actor. And the seventh question is, the autobiography of which cricket player named Believe What Is Life and Cricket Taught Me? And the options are A. Rahul Dravid, B. Harbhajan Singh, C. Suresh Raina, and D. Ravi Shastri. And the correct answer is C. Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina autobiography named as Believe What Is Life and Cricket Taught Me. This book is co-authored by Bharat Sundaresan. And the eighth question is, which of the following organization will launch world's first wooden satellite called Visa Woodsat? And the options are A. NASA, B. ISRO, C. ESA, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is C. ESA. ESA is nothing but European Space Agency. ESA is going to launch world's first wooden satellite. Satellite would be launched into space by the end of 2021 with Rocket Lab Electron rocket. It will be launching from Mahia Peninsula Launch Complex in New Zealand. And the ninth question is, as per World Giving Index 2021, India ranks at what position in the most charitable country in the world? And the options are A. 12th, B. 14th, C. 8th, and D. 2nd. And the correct answer is, it's B. 14th. India ranks in the 14th position. This World Giving Index is released by Charities Aid Foundation CAF, whereas Indonesia ranks first in this most charitable countries list, and Kenya ranks second, Nigeria in the third position, and Myanmar, Australia followed by Nigeria, and Japan ranks last with 114th rank in CAF. And the 10th question is, which former Indian cricketer is in the list of ICC Hall of Fame 2021 recently? And the options are A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Anil Kumble, C. MS Dhoni, and D. Vinod Mankad. And the correct answer is D. Vinod Mankad. He was the opening batsman and left-arm bowler, and also known as India's greatest ever all-rounder. And the 11th question is, who was appointed as honorary member of WHO Council? And the options are A. Mukesh Sharma, B. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, C. Tedros Adhanom, and D. none of the above. And the correct answer is A. Mukesh Sharma. He is an IIT Kanpur professor who was appointed as honorary member of WHO Council. And the 12th question is, which bank has partnered with Practo Healthcare Company? And the options are A. Indian Bank, B. SBI, C. Bank of Baroda, and D. Indian Overseas Bank. And the answer is A. Indian Bank. Indian Bank has partnered with Practo Healthcare to provide health and wellness plans to bank employees. And the 13th question is, which SFB is collaborated with MoEngage to drive digital banking experiences? And the options are A. Capital SFB, B. Equitas SFB, C. Ujjivan SFB, and D. Utkarsh SFB. And the correct answer is C. Ujjivan SFB. It is to target SMS campaigns to encourage digital repayments like online payments and e-payments. And the 14th question is, which organization has joined hands with NABARD to skill rural youth? And the options are A. KCP Cement, B. Ambuja Cement, C. Nagarjuna Cement, and D. Bharati Cement. And the correct answer is Ambuja Cement. It is to improve employability through Skill Initiative Project ESIP. Ambuja Cements will provide skill training classes across 19 locations of its offices for 2 years and in 12 different trades. And the one-liners today are: HMC Library to be named after legendary Hindi journalist Yugal Kishore Shukla, and Shyam Steel India becomes the official partner of ICC World Test Championship final. And Ministry of Sports launched a Central Athlete Injury Management System to support athletes. According to ICAN report, nuclear weapons spending in 2020 increased by $1.4 billion. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down your doubts below about current affairs, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.